just ordering food, groceries, their everyday, day-to-day things online. And this is like your one-stop shop for healthy lifestyle and fitness. I don't use fitness, I'm going to say lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, because it's more holistic, like we've been discussing. That being said, you can ask
to tell them. And I want to say this. I don't think Tiger would, do the kind of fitness regime or eat the kind of food he eats differently if he wasn't an actor, right?
Absolutely. I think it's also, I don't like using the word diet when it comes to fitness because that sounds very depressing, Fitness is also a state of mind. It's a state of, if you're happy, that means you're fit, So if you're restricting yourself from some foods, that's not a bad thing. You can make healthy foods tasty as well. There's so many healthy, natural recipes you can have to, make your food consumption, happy and tasty. That being said, why I'm here? Well, I'm here because, first of all, I'm a big fan of Shilpa Shetty, of course. I love her son. He's actually the real Flying Jet. He was doing my stunts in the film. He was my double. But yeah, we are here to launch Shilpa Ma'am's website, and I think it's fantastic, especially because it's the digital age, Everything is on the internet nowadays. So we have people just ordering food, groceries, their everyday, day-to-day things online. And this is like your one-stop shop for healthy lifestyle and fitness. I don't use fitness, I'm going to say lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, because it's more holistic, like we've been discussing. That being said, you can ask a myriad questions such as related to fitness or healthy lifestyle, such as, what are the foods we can consume to lose weight? Healthy, natural, fat-burning foods. What can I eat before a workout? What can I eat or drink after a workout? How do I work out on my own, So this website can offer all these solutions. I mean, we've got experts answering all these questions for you. So, guys, I think it's time to live a happy, fit, new lifestyle with the queen of fitness herself, Shilpa Shetty. Thank you.
Very, very kind of you. I'd like to call my mum on stage now to launch. I really think in life nothing is possible to achieve without the blessings of our parents.
Definitely, yeah.
And we'll come on the side. So I'd like the thing here.
Background ka light.
So we have obviously the younger generation. So there is Tiger and the likes who obviously follow him. But there's also the women out there who my mum represents and who's very, very socially active, let me tell you. She's more active on Facebook than even me. Yeah. So with Dad's blessings and with yours, Mum, today I want you to, be the first person to log in, okay? So, come on, do it. We have jeera chicken, which is made in ghee.
So I have a question to ask the both of you. Like, I'm going to just tell you a couple of dishes. I want to actually know if you... When was the last time you tasted this? Eating though is out of the question. Like, pizzas.
Yesterday. I know I shouldn't be saying this right now on this platform, but yes, I do. Yesterday was my cheat day.
Oh, so you also have
yeah.
See, we all have a cheat day.
Okay.
That's a secret.
This butter chicken. Like a chicken dish with gravy or something.
I have chicken. I have ghee chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Ghee is good for you guys. I had ghee even today.
Rice.
I have ghee every day. Every day.
तो
Rice I eat every day.
ये चावल और घी कहीं और से बन के आता है क्योंकि हमारे ऊपर वो असर क्यों नहीं होता है फिर
चावल कितना खा रहे हो वो मुझे पता नहीं और कितनी बार आप चू भी कर रहे हो वो भी नहीं मुझे पता हाँ
I should take a back seat.
और कितने बजे आप खाना बंद करते हो ये भी बताइए ये मुझे लगता है 7 बजे के बाद कुछ खाता नहीं होएगा है ना
I think yeah absolutely I think after 6-7 p.m. I usually I cut back on my calories. Usually carbohydrates I don't consume.
Some people have Sev Puri in their eyes at 6 or 7.
But yeah, you're absolutely right, man.
See, I just think that with what Tiger is saying and what I'm saying, I just think that anyone you think if that person looks the way he looks or she looks, and if you think it's happening just like that, that's not possible, my friend, because everything needs a bit of work. It's not possible for you journalists to be writing a great article without working on it, right? So if that takes work, and this is actually far more easier to do, no, Tiger? If you just believe that that is the lifestyle you want to make. And with that, like he very rightly said, the word diet is something that is very demoralizing for people. The minute you say diet, you think, अरे फीका खाना, इसमें तेल नहीं होगा, इसमें taste नहीं होगा. So I really want to debunk those myths. I really, through this channel, I really hope that we're able to prove to people that it is really easy to get yourselves into a routine. So we're going to start with the basics through this channel, and then obviously in 6 months I will be throwing challenges. I will be making, or rather inspiring people enough to be able to join the challenge and lose literally 5 kilos in maybe 21 days. So I aspire to do that. And there are a lot of people out there who need the right information, who need the help to be able to do that. So I really hope. Thank you so much, Tiger, for being there and supporting me on this venture. Really, I don't think I could have made it possible without you.
Thank you so much. Thank
I wanted people to understand that, you know, it's not easy to just be there and achieve your dreams and to be looked up to just like that. So he's someone that and he's so young, you know, he can afford to do what the hell he likes. And most people, I feel, reach that age of really getting wasted and, you know, say, "Arey yaar, abhi to bahut lambi life baki hai." And then they'll end up with some kind of ailment, and then they'll say, "Oh shit, sorry, wrong, bad language." Yeah, you should never use language like that. Oh shoot, I said. So,
oh fit.
Yeah, oh fit. Yeah. So I really hope people, you know, end up I really hope people, this generation, this next generation, which I really think is very, very special, this is the generation that you belong to and that you inspire, really start taking care of themselves and not letting go of themselves to a point where they have to then rework backwards, you know. So it's a great time. And I'm so happy that I've managed to do this.
Talking about fitness, I wanted to know that as a woman, what do you think about the media scrutiny and actresses' weight in whites after pregnancy? You know, like recently also, Kareena commented that how she felt bad when a website called her overweight after she gave birth to her child.
Delete these websites. Listen, I really think that we're living in a free world. लोग तो बोलेंगे यार, लोगों का काम है बोलना. It doesn't matter. I really think that, like I said, you have to understand what fitness means to you. It shouldn't matter what other people think of you. And I've really, I mean, I can understand that emotion, especially as an actor and someone who's been synonymous with you know, having a body and fitness and all of that. So the pressure that I had when I had a baby, I didn't get out of the house for 7 months. With the pressure. Firstly, the pressure that nothing fit me, you know. So I remember that the first time I got out of the house, I think 5 months after my delivery, my husband took me out for brunch. And there were few ladies sitting, they were having a kitty. And they laughed. I could hear them, and they said she hasn't still lost her weight. So it is very daunting. And that's the day I decided, I said, oh my God, so people are actually judging me. And that's normal, right? Because when you are an actor, you are going to be judged. And that's part and parcel of being a celebrity. So from that day till the day I lost those 32 kilos, I remember telling Vinod, I said, I have to lose this weight. Now, मुझे लगा बच्चा बाहर आ जाएगा तो मतलब पूरा वेट भी आएगा बाहर, बट बच्चे के बाद यू जस्ट वेट फॉर एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. अच्छा ये अच्छा है यार, ये दूध के लिए अच्छा है, ये खा लेते हैं. ये इसके लिए अच्छा है, ये बच्चे के लिए अच्छा है, तो ये खा लेते हैं. So you're making bahanas. So I'm saying there's a way to even look after your health after pregnancy, you know, and during your pregnancy. I didn't need to put on 32 kilos. You know, seriously, I thought I overate. But saying that, even if you did, what is the big deal? Losing weight is the easiest thing to do if you are focused. That's the point I'm trying to make. I was at my spa where we also do slimming. There was a girl who lost 33 kilos. Yesterday I met her. I swear to God. She said, I had it for 5 years. And I lost it. I lost it in the last 1 year. I've lost 33 kilos in 1 year. So if she could do it, it's, you know, fitness is not about the body. It's about the mind. And fitness is honestly like marriage. If you cheat on it, you can't expect it to work. It's a great line, actually. Yeah. So you cannot cheat. Or you can cheat once. But ऊपर से. देखना मना नहीं है. खा भी सकते हैं, but that is not cheating.
इनको headline मिल गया, आपने क्या कर दिया?
Oh God.
That's it. This will happen
so
tomorrow.
I'm saying, yeah.